In the health and safety unit, it's critical that the signs on site are in good condition and tell visitors and contractors the site rules all the time. Look after those signs. On the sorting and treatment unit, we've got to make sure that the operator is checking the machine, doing the first use checks like oil and water. So off you go, Occo, do the checks on the check the oil and water.
First, yeah.
In the waste reception unit, what we've got to do is make sure that all the vehicles are weighed when they come on site. We'll now go in the weighbridge office and look at the paperwork. In the waste reception unit, the critical piece of evidence is number 8, the weighbridge ticket. And here in the weighbridge office, the weighbridge operator has got the digital weight on there, which goes onto the computer system, and the weighbridge operator can see the registration number here, and the operator is going to ensure that the right EWC code and the right weight and the right description of the waste is here on the ticket, and that's the piece of evidence that you need, or one of them, for the incoming waste. Now we also need another piece of evidence, which is number 10, which is the outgoing waste, which describes the weight and the EWC code for the outgoing waste, whether it be cardboard or scrap metal or other material. Environment unit, we've got to make sure that the manager's checking the drains. In the environment unit, one of the things we mention is the bait boxes. Make sure you check the bait boxes and that there's evidence of a professional pest control company visiting the site on a regular basis. In the sorting unit, the manager must keep maintenance records and a training matrix for various machinery on site, such as a telescopic handler, on-site hook lift, the forklift, and the baler right behind me.
All the fire extinguishers on site must be maintained and checked regularly.
So in the maintenance unit, it's really important that the manager ensures that proper training's done to make sure that the lock-off procedure's followed for when the plant is being maintained or a belt changed. Go to these panels and lock it off properly. So in the sorting unit, the operatives have got to make sure that the machines are maintained and that they're watching this printout on this unit here.
Each load is physically checked to ensure it doesn't contain food.
The next stage in the process is the material going through the bag splitter behind me. which is a Matheson built in Germany, one of the best bag splitters in the world. Now we'll go upstairs and we'll see the process as it goes through the hall. At the end of the sorting process, when we've taken out the cardboard, the timber, the scrap, the good plastic, we're left with this material that would normally go to landfill, but that's far too expensive in this country with landfill tax. At the end of the process, it's baled, then it's wrapped, and it goes in shipping containers off to Europe for a waste-to-energy plant.